Hello, this is John. Welcome to Happy Valley Park. I was surprised to see so much construction going on. They've got orange border fencing around all the playing fields, so I'm kind of limited as far as flying. I wanted to test the features on this drone, so I put it into servo mode, which was quite easy to do.
I've been around.
You can also adjust the height while you're flying in the circle. I like the fact that the drone is very responsive to the controller, so it moves nice and slow as required. This is droning mode to everybody, but to WALKERA this is called far away mode, where it does the exact same thing and it does it real well. There you go, there you go, it flew. I want to fly it by just throwing it. Watch this. As you can see, it was a really hot sunny day, so I spent a lot of time in the shadow of that big tree in front of me. I was very impressed by how smooth and cinematic this drone's camera took the video, and I was also surprised that you could increase the speed at which it rotated on its radius. I didn't know that. It took us a while to figure out how to stop it, but I did in the end. There she goes. How far away is it going? 17 meters, 23 meters. It's going pretty far away. Question is, where does it stop? I don't know. Yeah, it's gone far away there. How far away do you want to go, mate? And then does it come back, or how does that work? Gone too far away. So we'll stop that. Now it's time to take the drone up high just to see how the video looks and records. Friday afternoon on the 205 and the traffic's moving pretty good. The drone video is very good, I would say. There's no stuttering, there's no missed frames. There's no gimbal shuddering or shaking. Everything looks really good so far. Instead of a return to home button, WALKERA called their return to home button return to launch. So it's RTL, just so you know. Exact same thing though. Probably semantics. As you can tell, I can't get over this throw and launch feature. I think it's absolutely fantastic.